These lemon blueberry cookies are soft, chewy, sweet, and tangy. This is an eggless sugar cookie recipe made with lemon zest, lemon juice, and frozen wild blueberries in the cookie dough, which give them that gorgeous lavender hue. For extra tang, the dough balls are then rolled in lemon sugar prior to baking, making them utter perfection. Drizzled with a gorgeous magenta blueberry glaze, these colors are all natural. Best yet, these cookies are also gluten-free, nut-free, and can easily be vegan. If you'd rather have the cookies have a pale lemon hue instead of the purple, that's totally fine. And instead of the frozen wild blueberries, you can use frozen regular blueberries. That will keep the dough more of a pale yellow, and it will make them a little bit fluffier and soft versus soft and chewy. They're still absolutely delicious, and I explain in my blog post how to make them that way as well. I hope you love them as much as I do. Enjoy!